Now we will learn the new chapter statistics in paper 2. It is very easy chapter to score good marks in this chapter. Introduction of statistics. We have so many branches in mathematics. In this, statistics is also one of the branches. Its applications are wide in so many fields like commerce, trade, banking, demography, economy, biotechnology, biochemistry. Like that, in so many fields, we are applying the concepts of statistics. Statistics definition. It is a group of methods used to collect, organize, present, analyze, and interpret the data to make decisions. What is collection of the data? So, gathering of information through experiments, observations, and through surveys, we collect the data. Organize. The data which we collect, we will separate or categorize according to their groups. Presentation. Presentation may be through tables, diagrams, and graphs, which we studied in class 8th and 9th. We analyze the data using the measures average, dispersion, and correlation, and interpret the data. Basically, we draw the conclusions based on the data which was already given to us. Now, what is data? This is a main concept to know what is meant by data. Gathering of information or collection of factual information which is used to make logical inferences. Major contribution to statistics given by Mr. Sir Ronald A. Fisher. That is why we call him as father of statistics. Whereas from India, much contribution done by P.C. Mahalanobis. That is why we call him as father of Indian statistics. That is why every year on June 29th, we celebrate National Statistical Day on behalf of his birthday. We have two methods of measurements in statistics, but in 10th class, we dealt with only one measurement, that is measures of central tendency. The second method is measures of dispersion. In measures of central tendency, we have three methods: arithmetic mean, mode, and median. Arithmetic mean is nothing but average or simply mean. These three methods we did in ninth class, but for ungrouped data, we have done these three methods. In this class, we will do for grouped data. When the observations are very less, we apply the ungrouped data methods. But when the observations are very high, we use the grouped data methods. To find mean, median, mode for grouped data, we need to know inclusive and exclusive classes concept. What are inclusive classes and what are exclusive classes? If you observe the inclusive classes, they are not continuous. There is a gap between every class. So 0, 1 or 1, 1 to 10, next 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. If you observe each class, there is a gap. Whereas in exclusive classes, they are continuous. There is no gap. 0.5 to 10.5. Next, the next class is starting from 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, like that. So we can convert inclusive classes into exclusive classes. Before going to conversion, we try to know what are limits and what are boundaries. If you observe the first class here, 0, 1, 10. In 1 to 10, 1 is called lower limit and 10 is called upper limit. This 1 is called lower limit and 10 is the upper limit. Next, 11 is the lower limit and 20 is the upper limit. So these first values are called lower limits and the second classes are called upper limits. And what are lower boundaries and upper boundaries? I want to find out lower boundary of 11 to 20. The lower boundary of 11 to 20 means, so lower limit of the given class and the upper limit of the previous class average is nothing but lower boundary of the 11, 20. Here 10 plus 11 by 2, that is 21 by 2, that equal to 10.5. This 10.5 is the lower boundary of 11-20 class, and this is also the upper boundary of the previous class 1 to 10. In the same way, if you find like that, you will get the lower boundaries and upper boundaries like this. In exclusive classes, what are there? These are the lower boundaries and upper boundaries. When the classes are like this, in this 0.5 is the lower limit and also lower boundary. Here 10.5 is the upper limit and upper boundary of the 0.5 to 10.5 class. So for exclusive classes, lower limits and lower boundaries are same and upper limits and upper boundaries are same. Whereas for inclusive classes, lower limit is different, lower boundary is different, and upper limit is different, upper boundary is different.